मेरा नाम शबीर अहमद है। मैं जम्मू कश्मीर से हूँ, श्रीनगर से। मेडिस्पा के बारे में मैंने इंटरनेट पे देखा सर। फिर उसके बाद में सर इधर आया। इधर सर डॉक्टर साहब से मिला। डॉक्टर साहब ने फिर मेरी प्लांटेशन करवा दी। सब कुछ आराम से हुआ, न पेन न कुछ दर्द, कुछ भी नहीं, सब आराम से हुआ। और यहाँ हॉस्पिटल में काफ़ी अच्छी फैसिलिटीज़ हैं। हम रहे यहाँ पे 1-2 दिन, काफ़ी अच्छी फैसिलिटी है। यहाँ का स्टाफ सबसे बढ़िया है सर।
My name is Zaki Ahmadi. I'm coming from the United Kingdom of Great Britain to India to have a hair transplant here in India. Well, I searched through to the internet and eventually I found it on their site and some recommendation on the site, and then decided to go for a transplantation here. For a hair transplantation, basically, taking a strip from the back and then implant to the forehead. Clearly they explained everything and the procedures and how long it takes and how it's done and which techniques they are using. They clearly explained to me and they made it very clear. They showed me some photos from before and after the surgery has been taken from the patients.
I have started Medispa 4 years back just to establish such an institute which can have all the cosmetic surgery procedure at one stake, which can deal with all type of cosmetic surgery procedure like hair transplant, liposuction, rhinoplasties, breast augmentation, tummy tuck, figure correction, maybe Botox, fillers or other laser treatment. So I established Medispa in view of that idea, to convince people to have a place which have all type of facilities for cosmetic surgery. I especially concentrated on hair transplants. Since last 4-5 years I am doing this hair transplant regularly, almost one a day. Initially we started with around 4 and 5 German microscopes, which now the team has increased up to 10 people and 12 people team. Hair transplant is basically a cosmetic surgery procedure. It's a one-day procedure. It's done under local anesthesia, in which we treat a general genetic baldness patients, like somebody who has got frontal baldness or occipital baldness. We treat these type of patients, which we plant back hairs, these back hairs which are permanent hair roots. We plant these back hair roots in the front so that the people get general natural hairs which grow naturally. Hair transplant is actually painless and one-day procedure which has absolutely no side effects, which gives natural hairs which grow lifelong naturally. These hair are actually a natural hair which are taken from the back side of the scalp and transplanted in the front. They grow as a natural hair. They can be combed, cut, washed, dyed or shampooed. They can be normally shaven off and they will grow up again. These hair never ever require any medication to grow. There is no maintenance cost, there are no follow-ups. Actually these hair have a life of around 70 to 80 years. So once they have been planted in frontal area, the patient is never going to be bald from the frontal area. In Medispa, we use the available best technology worldwide, that is the German microscopes. We have set of 10 microscopes to perform more number of hair transplant in one day. We use around 20x magnification for graft cutting, insertion, plantation. So we decrease the damage rate in every step of the hair transplantation, giving around 99% of regrowth rate in each and every patient. Either it's a female patient, either it's a male patient. White hair, maybe curly hair, maybe upper lip hair transplant, eyebrow hair transplant, beard hair transplant, maybe body hair transplant. For follicular unit extraction, we use the worldwide best machine available, that is the US FDA approved safe system, in which we do around 95% regrowth rate with decreasing the damage rate to less than 5%. So we use these type of techniques which give the worldwide best rates. Hair transplant is actually absolutely painless exercise. It can be done with absolute zero pain. Medispa has evolved several techniques like vibration and cold chilling methods using insulin syringe, fine syringes, which have absolute no pain during transplantation as well as during part of anesthesia also. We give analgesics for next 4 or 5 days just to have painless next 4 or 5 days period. Transplant is actually a one-day procedure. It's around 4 or 5 hours, which the actual procedure lasts long. Maybe we'll give breaks after every hour for maybe breakfast, for lunch, for dinner. Maybe in 4 hours, 5 hours, it finishes up. After transplant, patient just can take head wash after second day, and these hair will generally start growing after third month. And patient will generally have around full density in next 9 to 10 months.
My name is Ajay Piparsenia. I work in a medical equipment company. मुझे हेयर लॉस का प्रॉब्लम था पहले, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट मेरे लुक में काफ़ी चेंज आ गया था. और मैंने फ़र्स्ट टाइम डॉक्टर सोनी के बारे में डर्माकॉन कॉन्फ्रेंस यहाँ जयपुर में हुआ था, नेशनल इवेंट था, उसमें डॉक्टर साहब ने लाइव परफॉर्म किया था. तो तब मुझे डॉक्टर साहब के बारे में फ़र्स्ट टाइम पता चला कि ही इज़ डूइंग हेयर ट्रांसप्लांट इन जयपुर ओनली. तो मुझे लगा सर से मिलना चाहिए. मैं डॉक्टर साहब से आके मिला, और ड्यूरिंग दिस पीरियड मुझे डॉक्टर संजय सांगल, जिन्होंने सर से ट्रांसप्लांट कराया हुआ था, उनसे भी मेरा बात हुआ. तो सर से मिलने के बाद मुझे लगा कि मुझे हेयर ट्रांसप्लांट कराना चाहिए. उन्होंने मुझे टेक्निक के बारे में बताया, क्या क्या टेक्निक्स अवेलेबल हैं हेयर ट्रांसप्लांट में, क्या क्या ऑप्शंस अवेलेबल हैं. फिर मैंने लास्ट ईयर मार्च में मैंने सर से ट्रांसप्लांट कराया, एंड आई एम वेरी हैप्पी विद द रिजल्ट्स, एंड नाउ आई एम प्लानिंग फॉर सेकेंड सिटिंग ऑल्सो. अभी मैं लोगों से काफ़ी समय बाद जिनसे मिल रहा हूँ, तो मुझे बड़े अच्छे अच्छे कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स मिल रहे हैं. मैं एक फ्रेंड से मिला काफ़ी करीब 6 महीने बाद. तो उसने मुझे पहचानने से मुझे बोला कि आर यू यंगर ब्रदर ऑफ अजय. तो आई वाज शॉक्ड. मेरी फैमिली में ये हेयर लॉस का हेरिडिटरी प्रॉब्लम है. मेरे सारे कज़न्स जितने भी हैं बड़ी यंग एज में, आफ्टर 20 सबको ये प्रॉब्लम आता है. तो अभी एक फैमिली वेडिंग में हम सारे मिले, तो उनका रिएक्शन भी बड़ा शॉकिंग था देख के. दे ऑल आर वेरी सरप्राइज टू सी मी. दे आर ऑल्सो प्लानिंग फॉर हेयर ट्रांसप्लांट नाउ. आई एम वेरी हैप्पी विद द रिजल्ट्स. और जो मैंने एक्सपेक्ट किया था, रिजल्ट्स कहीं उससे बेहतर रिजल्ट्स मुझे मिले हैं.
I'm an army doctor, retired from army, and I started losing my hair at the age of 35-40 years. And hair loss was gradually increased, and it increased to such an extent that my head became, rather forehead and the upper head became bald. It's a hereditary. My father had lost hair early, and I also started losing hair, so it's a hereditary. And I used to see the cricket personalities, and I saw Virendra Sehwag. He got his hair transplant done, and there was a lot of difference in his personality. And it was in my mind that if I get a chance, I'll go for the hair transplant. Meantime, I met Dr. Sunit Soni, and I discussed with him that I want to go for the hair transplant. He said, no problem, we'll do it, we'll go ahead for this. And I went ahead with the hair transplantation, and I had 3 sittings from 2010 to 2012. It was not painful, it was very smooth, and it went ahead very nicely and very smoothly. I used to look older, now I look much younger. There is a sea change in my personality. Whatever I used to look and now what I look. My friends, they used to say कि आप Dr. Azmera के जुड़वा भाई हैं या आप वही same person है. I said no, I am the same person. It was a different personality that time, and now it is a different personality now. So I am not जुड़वा भाई, I am the same person.
बेसिकली यदि देखें तो मैंने जब हेयर ट्रांसप्लांटेशन कराया उससे पहले मेरी एक इमेज जो क्रिएट होती थी, या ये कहूँ कि जब भी कोई मिलता था फ्रेंड्स में, रिलेटिव्स में या कुछ भी, दे कंपेयर मी विथ डेफिनेटली सम बिग गुंडाज इन मूवीज एंड लाइक दैट, कि मैं एक गुंडे सी इमेज लेके चल रहा हूँ, एक इतना गंजापन मेरे सिर पर आ चुका था। उसके बाद में जब मैंने ये हायर ट्रांसप्लांटेशन सुना और डॉक्टर मिस्टर सोनी से मिला और इस चेंज को जब मैंने अपने अंदर पाया, नाउ आई फील कि हाँ डेफिनेटली एक पर्सनालिटी में भी चेंज मिला, एक कॉन्फिडेंस में भी चेंज मिला, और नो डाउट आज कहीं ना कहीं जाके एक प्रेजेंटेबल सिचुएशन बनी मेरे लिए।
मेरा नाम कुलदीप है और करीब 1.5 साल पहले मैंने डॉक्टर साहब के लिए मेडिस्पा के लिए पेपर में ऐड देखा था, और जब मैं यहाँ पे आया था तो उस टाइम पे करीब 2-3 पेशेंट जिन्होंने ऑलरेडी ट्रांसप्लांट कराया था उनसे यहाँ पे मेरी बात हुई थी। काफ़ी अच्छे तरीके से उनका ट्रांसप्लांट किया था। उनसे राय करके मैंने करीब 5 से 10 दिन के अंदर मैंने मेरा ट्रांसप्लांट करवाया था। और ट्रांसप्लांट कराने के पहले मैं पैच पहनता था, जिसकी वजह से मैं काफ़ी पजल्ड भी रहता था और कहीं भी आ जा नहीं सकता था, कोई भी मैं लाइफ में एंजॉय नहीं कर पाता था। और जब मैंने यहाँ पे ट्रांसप्लांट कराया, ट्रांसप्लांट कराने के बाद काफ़ी लाइफ चेंज हो गई, मेरा लुक भी चेंज हो गया। मैंने कभी लाइफ में सोचा भी नहीं था कि मैं कभी इस लुक में या कभी मेरी नॉर्मल लाइफ कभी एंजॉय कर पाऊँगा।
Hi, I am Dr. G.C. Mehta. Being a doctor, when I came to know about this amazing surgery, I was little doubtful, little suspicious about what can be the surgery. I'll have to give altogether my head to someone's hand, and no doubt he is an expert plastic surgeon, a cosmetologist. But I was little worried what to do. But when I came here in Medispa, Jaipur, Dr. Sunit Soni explained me, counseled me very well, and showed me previous results. Even then I was a little suspicious. But I made up my mind after his counseling, after his explaining me very well how he is going to proceed. And when I saw the surgery, when I undergone with the same way as he explained, it was much more smoother, much more finer, and much more artistically done by Dr. Sunit Soni. And it was not at all a kind of brain surgery, not at all a kind of, I would say, head surgery. It was very finely made, and the results you can very well see. I was almost bald. Front especially and the top of my head was absolutely almost clear, bare, and it was covered around 2 years back in one sitting. And to everybody's surprise, I came driving here and went back driving. Very next day, I was working in my clinic, seeing patients, and a routine all shows I was doing beautifully, normally. And the outcome was superb, uneventful, and I was in fact, in my wife's word, who is living with me for last 21-22 years, she herself was surprised to see the results after 3-4 months of this plastic surgery, this hair transplant. She complimented me with the words which I would like to share with you, and that I look almost 15 years younger than before the surgery. So it was incredible result, and I would say, not to exaggerate, it is naturally there. I am always obliged, I would always be feeling thankful, rather grateful to Dr. Sunit Soni, who has given me my natural hair back. And I do dye my hair quite frequently, wash my hair, there is no effect, and to be honest, I never saw a single hair falling after the surgery, after 1 month of my surgery.